After we have the video we want to sell, now we go to Adobe Stock Contributor. Go to Upload. Open the folder containing the videos to be uploaded, select all of them, then drag them into Adobe Stock. Once all the videos are uploaded, go to Google and type mykeyword.com. Then, type the title of the video you want to upload. Count down 10-second overlay and press Enter. Next, choose relevant tag. After that, click Export Selected Keyword and copy the keywords. Now, go back to Adobe Stock and select all the countdown videos. Change the later option to No and write the title. Countdown 10 seconds with fire effect, overlay, filter background editing. Then, paste the tags that you copied earlier. Once done, select all the fire effect videos, go to mykeyword.com and type fire effect overlay, then choose relevant tags. Click Export Selected Keyword, copy all the tags, and go back to Adobe Stock. Then, organize them just like before. But there's an alternative. You can also create tags by referring to the ones already sold in My Portfolio. After completing the tags, enter the title, Fire Effect Overlay, Filter, Editing Background. Then click Save and submit all videos. That's how to create a combination of effects that often sell well on Adobe Stock using CapCut Mobile. In the next technique, we will create a transition effect using a green screen as the background in CapCut. Green screen transitions tend to sell more frequently than countdowns on micro-stock platforms, with the target buyers being professional content creators. The materials we need are various transition effects that we will transform into a form of creativity that has never been seen before.